Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm introducing you to the newest member of our family. This is Pippin the Budgie. It's a bit awkward to film because he's a little bit camera shy and I'm trying to film one-handed, which is rather difficult. But this is him. He is a very young budgie. We think he's probably about a couple of months old. Well, or at least maybe a little bit older, somewhere in the region of about maybe 4 to 5 months old. The pet shop where I bought him from, I know I do normally try to buy from breeders or rehome birds, said that they were about 10 weeks old, but I think they're a little bit older than that because he is losing the black bars on the top of his head. As you can see, he is extremely settling in extremely well. He's on my hand, he's chirping with the other birds. He is a bit tired at the moment, which is why he's just a bit calm, and I also have my room quite dark. So, well, it's about 20 to 9 at night, so he's a bit tired, but that's probably a good time for training and getting him settled on my hand. I'm just going to try moving him a little bit closer so you can see him a bit more. It'll focus on him rather than on me. If I move my head out of the way, it might focus on him. Can you say hi to YouTube for Pippin? The light is making him look more yellow. He has got a yellow back and a yellow head, but he is more green on his chest, which you can just about see, I think, if I turn him around that way. I think he can see himself in the camera. So this was just a quick introduction to him. You will hear him a lot more in the upcoming videos, I'm sure. I'll probably include a few photos of him from his first week, and also a quick clip of him being trained. He's learning how to come when he's called, which for a bird is pretty impressive. He's extremely cute, extremely lovable, and I think he's falling asleep on my hand here. So I am going to sign off and get him put back in his cage. He is let out of his cage along with Sam. She's actually up on a perch somewhere up there. Let out of his cage for at least an hour every day. They've had a really long flight today because I've been off work. And he's settling in extremely nicely. So like I say, I'll pop a couple of photos and a couple of videos of him being trained at the end of this. But I just wanted to introduce you to him and let you all know how we're settling in. So thank you all so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you want to see more photos and videos of little budgies, then just let me know in the comments. And let me know what you think of him. All big stretches. Yeah, I think it's time he went back in his cage now. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.